My tip would be to voice note and create Loom videos more, because communication on Slack and email can feel very transactional, it can feel harsh. Sometimes all it needs is you saying it and it sounds more human, it sounds more friendly. Uh, I think we should be doing that more and more to avoid kind of conflict and disagreements and misunderstandings.
Design processes from the beginning, document them, make sure they're accessible, and have them in one place. I think it's really easy to have documentation in multiple places, but if you pick somewhere and build that out, it makes it so much easier to get the information when you're remote.
Treat everybody in an equitable or equal way, so that kind of spreads across many different things, whether that's flexible working terms or policies around, we're getting into the big stuff, but like maternity policies, paternity policies, or where you're allowed to work or when you're allowed to work from other places, that kind of thing. I think everybody should have access to the same benefits, I guess, no matter where they are and no matter how they're engaged with the company.
Well, I'll start by saying communication is everything. Communication constitutes teamwork from my research perspective. So without communication, you don't have anything. So as has been said, be deliberate about that, be purposeful about it. And kind of at a more philosophical level about what are you doing around virtual teams, hybrid teams, I'd say think of all of it as cultural, not operational. So you're thinking about what norms do you want to protect? What norms do you want to embed? Because a lot of the debate becomes around sort of performance. But all of it's a trade-off. Everything will be specific and unique to your organization. So there's no best way. And on that basis, be willing to experiment, because like all culture, you'll eventually settle on something rather than necessarily explicitly decide it. And if you've arrived there by being purposeful, then it'll work.